ready to make big money online? I am talking about earning $1,000 or more every single month without selling anything online or having any previous experience in writing or even using affiliate marketing links. All you have to do is for you to do either of these three. The first one is using your opinion or knowledge or based on your research to write an article. I'll explain this at the end of this video. Then the second one is by using a simple AI tools. I'll also give this as a bonus at the end of this video. Then the third one, which we are going to be looking at directly, is using rewriting already written content from Google News. Yes, I am going to show you how to get article content and earn up to $1,000 every month. So in this video, I will review to you how to use Google News to get articles or get ideas on what is trending, that is what people are searching for. I will also review to you websites so you can double up your earnings, and also I'm going to review to you amazing tools that can help you to do this process in less than 2 minutes in just a simple steps to make even more money. So hit the subscribe button and let's dive into world of making money online. So the step one is you search for Google News. Click on the first link there. Remember, as we are making use of our phone, you are going to change it to a desktop site. I know a lot of us will be asking question, why Google News? We are using Google News because Google News is going to show you the local news based on your location and also worldwide and also US based news. So that's why we are making use of Google News. Looking at this Google News, you find out that we have business, technology, entertainment, sports, then science and health. So as you can see, you can get trending news based on your location, worldwide and US based news. So that's why we are making use of Google News. So based on the one that interests you, you are going to go with it. So if you want to center your articles based on health, you can click on health. That's health niche or categories. You click on that. Under health, we have a lot of sub niches under health. We have medication, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, fitness. So what you are going to do is for you to get the articles ideas or get the already written articles from here. Then you go to this website I'm going to introduce to you now and submit your articles. The first website is called eatingwell.com. You go to this eatingwell.com, you follow the instruction on how to get started with submission of your articles and you are good to go. Then the second website is the Popular Science. You can go there and submit your articles based on health and tech. If you want to base your articles based on science, tech, health, you can submit it in this Popular Science. Then the third website for health is, so this is the third website that you can submit your health and wellness articles. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to introduce to you another site that you can submit your different articles based on your categories and niches. We have ProBlogger.com. This is a wonderful site. You can submit your articles. All you have to do is for you to go to jobs. You click on jobs. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of jobs for you. Go through it. This is for sports, basket coaching magazine, health and wellness writers. So this is it. So you go through it and look for jobs according to what interests you. So from there, you take it from there. So the next website is called Writer Access. So this one, you go through it, you sign up with them, you sign in with them. All these things, their steps are simple and straightforward. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel because I am definitely going to make videos on how you can be able to submit articles on this website. So the next website I'm going to introduce to you now is called Skyward. It's also an amazing platform. You can submit your content and you earn in dollars. So this website called Opera News Hub is one of my favorite platforms that you can share your stories, opinions, and life and you will be making a lot of money. There are a lot of websites that I have introduced in my previous video. Do well to click on the link in my description button so that you can get multiple sites that you can submit your articles. So before all this introduction, let me show you something on what you have to do with your Google News. So we are in step 2 now. Our step 2 is for you to go to the ones that you want to base on. Is it business? Is it technology? Is it entertainment? Is it health? Is it science? You go to health. Okay. If it is mental health or nutrition, you go to nutrition. Select all. You copy this. Then, so when you copy the article you paste it in your writing space and remove all the irrelevant text. Make sure that you remove all the things that are irrelevant. Step 3, you copy this again. You select all. You go to Spinbots or Quibots or retester.com and paraphrase it. Why? To avoid plagiarism. That is to avoid using people's work. So you paste your text, click on basic spin. So after that, you click on this space to copy it. So for you to be on a safer side, what you're going to do is for you to go to this site, grammarly.com, for you to check plagiarism, to be sure that the article is free to be used. You click on scan. After that, you find out that we have no plagiarism. So all you have to do is for you to calm down and read it and correct all the grammar errors there. So that's that on how to go about your articles. Then the final step is for you to go to the site, the website that I just introduced to you, and submit your articles based on their format, and you are good to go. So the first bonus that I'm going to share with you today is for you to know that this site called Opera News, you can share your opinion, your knowledge, and it is also beautiful while trying to prove some points based on your personal thinking or experience. For example, you can earn big money with ideas based in sports or politics, but be careful with politics so that you are not going to get your account banned. So Opera News Hub is one of the platforms that you can earn much money. If you want to get started with Opera News, hit on the link below to get connected with me so that I'm going to direct you well. So the second bonus that I'm going to give you today is the AI tools. After you have copied the topic, you paste it here. Okay, so this is the article that Chatgpt is giving us. All you have to do is for you to do a little fact checking. You check plagiarism, then you are good to go. You go to the website that you want to submit it and submit it, and that's how you can be able to make money with a little idea from Google News and combining with AI tools, and you are good to go. So see you in my next video where I'll be showing you how to make money online with articles written by Telegram, bot, and Chatgpt. Until then, see you in my next video. Like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for new updates. Thank you.